In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Wix template efficiently and effectively. Whether you're setting up your first website or looking to redesign an existing one, picking the right template is crucial as it sets the tone for your entire site. Let's dive in and take you through this process step by step. To get started, head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, look for the setup area within your account dashboard. It's important to navigate to the section where you manage your sites, as this is where you will begin the template selection process. Next, you'll notice your profile located in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select which of your sites you want to work with. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to choose the one you're currently looking to design or redesign. This step ensures that any changes you make will be applied to the correct site. Once you've selected the site, you'll need to click on Design Site. This will direct you to another area within the Wix platform where you can manage your site's aesthetic. It's like a hub for all your design needs, so familiarize yourself with this dashboard. Now comes the exciting part, picking a template. Click on Pick a Template, which will lead you to a vast library of pre-designed options. Wix offers a wide range of templates tailored to various industries and personal styles, so there's no shortage of choices. Take your time to explore the different categories and keep in mind the kind of feel and functionality you want for your site. Once you've found a template that aligns with your vision, click on Edit. This action will take you to the Wix editor, where you can customize the template to better suit your needs. The editor is a powerful tool, offering a drag and drop interface that's user-friendly even for beginners. Finally, you can start tweaking various aspects of your chosen template. Change colors, upload images, edit text, and add features that cater to your audience's needs. Remember, your template is just a starting point. It's your creative input that truly makes it come alive. And there you have it. You've successfully chosen and begun customizing your Wix template. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has demystified the process for you and provided the insight needed to make your site unique and impactful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website design journey.